Hello, welcome to the Crafty Mind. I'm your crafty queen, Barbara, and we'll jump right into our project. You'll find the template and the list of materials in the very first link in the description. Everything is totally free and super easy to download, so there's really no excuse not to get crafty. What I'm showing you is that for this project, I drew the inside of the pumpkin eyes myself, the pupil part, because I was feeling brave and artistic. But if you don't want to, don't worry. We have those parts on the templates too, so just cut it out in black and everything will be alright. The template has measurements in both centimeters and inches, so nobody gets left out, not even the ones that like inches for some reason. I use a skewer to mark the template, but be very gentle with it because the foam can easily tear. You can also use an empty pen, but make sure there's no ink to avoid stains because it's very hard to remove. You're gonna need alcohol and a lot of patience. I had two different shades of orange here, so I decided to use the darker shade for the shape and the lighter shade for the eyes, nose, and mouth. And I did the opposite for the other pumpkin, so it's a little bit different. If you enjoyed this project, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. This helps our video reach more people who might need it, and our creative crew can grow, and more people can be a part of this crafty family. I'm sorry, I don't know why my voice is when I speak English. I swear it's not like that. Or it is, and maybe I just realize how annoying I sound when I speak English. So, well, who knows? Now you can see all the foam parts I cut for the body, and we'll put them together using either hot glue or instant glue, depending on your preference. If your EVA foam is thin, opt for instant glue as it's less likely to melt the foam. And if you choose hot glue, use only a small amount, just enough to hold the pieces together. When assembling the body of the pumpkin, hold it in the position you want for the final look and glue all the top parts first. This will help you to keep everything in place and prevent it from gluing it the wrong way. After gluing the first two pieces, you can trim any parts that are a little crooked. And don't worry, the template already has a little extra space for the parts you need to glue. Well, and if you feel like crafting all your Halloween decorations this year, check out our Halloween theme playlist. Maybe there's something there to inspire you. You can find the final result of my decoration on my Instagram at thecraftymind. Follow me there to know when I post new videos, and also feel free to give me suggestions for future tutorials. I would love to see your creations, and if you tag me, I'll share them so others can get inspired too. You can choose any shade of green for this top part of the pumpkin, and when gluing it, remember to put the glue at the very end of the piece. You can cut the round eyes without a model. I'm showing you how I do it. But if you find this challenging, just use the template that I provided. It works the same way. Making the round eyes was a last-minute decision. So I'm showing you that it was not on the template, but I added it while I was making the pumpkins. Again, when gluing the face, I also arranged everything as I wanted to look, and then I glue each part one by one with everything already in place. This way I won't make a mess with the face and have to tear it apart. I always use a permanent marker for outlining and details, usually a medium-sized marker, but it takes a few seconds to dry, so don't touch it until it's completely dry. The outlining and details bring the pumpkin to life, so take your time and work slowly. If the mouth seems a little bit difficult, cut it from black foam to make it easier for you. And it's also gonna be pretty. And there you have it, the results of both pumpkins. And I'm in love with how cute they look. One a little mad and the other a little bit kinder looking. I also made one in sparkling foam, of course, to show you how it would look. I hope you enjoyed this project. Let me know in the comments if you did. I would really love to hear your feedback. See you next time. Bye!